meron pong programa ang Bureau of Immigration and Deportation or Bureau of Immigration, no? Tungkol po dun sa mga foreign individuals na nandito po sa ating syudad ng San Carlos. Unang-una po, sasabihin ko po muna na huwag po kayong magpanik. Huwag po kayong magpanik. Kasi po, ang programang ito ay tutulong po sa mga paso ang passport or visa, mga overstaying na mga foreign individuals dito sa syudad ng San Carlos, at yung assistance po na gagawin nila para po matulungan kayong ma-document, no? Ito po ay nangyayari ngayon dito sa ating Bulwagan, San Carlos City, na kung saan tutulungan po nila yung mga undocumented foreign individuals na maisaayos po ang papeles nila dito sa Pilipinas. Ang rason po nila is ganito, no? Para po maisaayos yung inyong mga papeles para hindi na ho kayo maging undocumented. So, uulitin ko po, wala pong hulihan, deportation o kulong na mangyayari pag umatindi po kayo dito, no? Kagagaling lang po nila dito sa aking opisina kanina, at yun nga po ay napag-usapan po namin yung programang ito ng Bureau of Immigration. No, ang gusto lang po nilang gawin is tulungan po kayo na ma-assist, no? This is for those individuals who are this is for those foreign individuals po na overstaying na po dito sa syudad ng San Carlos at sa Pilipinas, kung saan kailangan po talaga na kayo ay madokumentuhan. Uulitin ko po, wala pong mangyayaring hulihan, kulungan o deportasyon, basta po kayo ay pumunta dahil ang gusto po nilang gawin ay i-assist kayo. Doon po sa mga kababayan natin na meron pong mga kakilala na mga foreign individuals na nag-overstay na po sa syudad ng San Carlos, no? Pwede pong pakisabihan sila. Ngayon po, meron tayo dito sa Bulwagan ng syudad ng San Carlos. Bukas po lilipat po sila ng Basista. Kung hindi po kayo makahabol ngayon, baka pwede pong humabol kayo doon sa Basista, Pangasinan. Ngayon po, kung marami pa rin pong interested, I will be requesting their office to conduct another day. Kasi hanggang September 5 lang po sila dito, no? I will be asking their office to conduct another day para po ma-avail ninyo. So you could avail of these programs of the Bureau of Immigration. I believe that there are some foreign individuals here in San Carlos City who are overstaying, so that they could also put you in their list para po matulungan po kayo. Sabi nga po nila, kaysa po ipapalakad ninyo sa iba at may scam kayo, malaking halaga ang gagastasin ninyo, meron po silang programa na parang 50% off po at may assist po nila kayo with regards po doon sa mga papeles na kakailanganin nyo or those papers that you have to accomplish para po ma-document na po kayo sa Pilipinas, no? So again, I would like to reiterate this for those foreign nationals who are here in San Carlos City and you know that you're already overstaying in the Philippines. I would like to invite you to attend today's meeting or today's program of the Bureau of Immigration here in the city of San Carlos, para po matulungan po nila kayo, mapaliwanagan kayo so that they could explain all the requirements that is needed for you to be documented here in the Philippines. As of now, you're residing here in San Carlos City, or for those who are residing here in San Carlos City who are undocumented or you have an expired visa or expired visa, no, here in the Philippines, no, I would like to invite you to join us here in the city of in the Bulwagan Hall of the local government unit of San Carlos City, so that they will be able to assist you with regards to the problems you have right now with regards to the papers or your requirements regarding your visas, no? So if you will not be able to attend today, they are also available tomorrow at the town of Basista. But if you are all interested, no, we could set another day here in the city of San Carlos para po we could accommodate each and every one of you. Again, I would like to reiterate, wala pong hulihan, there's no deportation, there's no jail time, and wala pong hulihan na mangyayari.